Hello everyone and welcome to my video about the book The Ugly Duckling. I love this story. It's such a great story. It's written by Hans Christian Andersen and he's from Denmark. And this is my favorite story. And I like to share it with you. Okay, so The Ugly Duckling. This is a duckling. That's a duck, and this is a duckling because it's little, a duckling. Okay, let's start. The Ugly Duckling. You read this. I can't read German. I don't know what it says. What start? Okay. One day in summer, Mother Duck sits on her 7 eggs and waits for them to hatch. That's the mother duckling. That's the mother duck, and she's sitting on her eggs. And when they hatch, they open up. One egg is very big and different from the others. Different. Crack the egg open. The eggs open and out come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little yellow heads. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little ducklings. Mother Duck is very happy, but there are 7 eggs. Where's the last duckling, she wonders. The big egg opens and out comes a big grey ugly duckling. Quack, quack. There it is. You look so different from your brothers and sisters, says Mother Duck worried. The next day, Mother Duck takes the ducklings to the lake. They all jump in the water. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little ducklings. And one ugly one. Splash! We don't want to play with him. We don't like him, say the little ducklings. The ugly duckling is very sad. He runs away through the fields. When night comes, he is very tired and he stops near the water to rest. There, look, he's so tired. In the morning, 2 wild ducks arrive. Who are you? Where are you from? Why are you here? They ask him. Look, they ask him. Who are you? Where are you from? And why are you here? Go away, they say. You are ugly. He sits down near the bushes. Some hunters arrive with their dogs. One of them sniffs him. Look at that dog. He sniffs the ugly duckling. The duckling closes his eyes and the dog walks away. I'm so ugly. He doesn't even want to bite me, he thinks. The duckling walks and walks, and he arrives at a cottage. There's the cottage. In this cottage lives an old woman with a cat and a hen. The old woman can't see very well and thinks the duckling is a wild duck. I hope you lay lots of eggs, but he doesn't lay a single one. Then the hen doesn't want the duckling there and scares him. Go away. The hen doesn't want him. Go away. If you can't lay eggs, you are good for nothing. The ugly duckling wants to run away. So he decides to leave. Look, there's the cat, and there's the hen, and the hen has 2 eggs. So the duck is running away, the ugly duckling. It's autumn, and the leaves are falling. Leaves falling. Duckling going into the water. One day he sees 4 beautiful white birds with long necks and big wings. Oh, I want to fly with them, he says. Winter comes and it's very cold. The poor duckling looks for some food, but he's very tired and falls in the snow. A farmer finds him and carries him home. Come home with me and meet my children, he says. The children want to play with him, but the duckling is so scared he falls off the table. Look. The duckling falls into the butter and then into the flour. The farmer's wife is furious. Look at her. She's furious. Rah! Go away. The children laugh and try to catch him, but the duckling runs away. It's spring now, and there are flowers everywhere. Flowers! Sunshine! The farmer decides to free him by the pond. Look, by the pond. The duckling is now a big bird. He flies up into the air. Oh, he flies up in the air, and he sees 3 beautiful white swans swimming in the water. Swans. He wants to swim with them, but he thinks he's so ugly that they will attack him. The duckling is sad and thinks, why am I so ugly? Suddenly, he sees an image in the water. He is a beautiful white swan. He swims happily in the water together with the other swans. The ugly duckling is now very happy with his friends. Everybody can see he's not an ugly duckling anymore, but a fine young swan. Oh, look at that swan. That's it. The ugly duckling became a swan. I love this story. I think it's one of my favorite stories, The Ugly Duckling. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in class, everyone.